Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Hello guys, so it's December 23. 2 days na lang Pasko na. So nagpe-prepare na kami ng handa namin. Look at that. Tara guys, prepare natin yung buko pandan. So magkakahit pa ako ng buko and this. Tara, let's go! Hello guys, it's December 24 and 5 hours na lang magdo-Noche Buena na. Merry Christmas! And this is our cake. So, cake in the making.
Cake in the making.
It's the cake in the making. So, makikita niyo mamaya. Maganda yung Christmas cake namin. Say Merry Christmas to my vlog!
Merry Christmas!
Hey. Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas to my vlog! Merry Christmas!
Vlogger yan!
Merry Christmas!
Pumipiyok pa ako. Piyok yan. I don't know what happened to her. No, take one, take one. She's like that. Ah, there's the husband. Hi! Say hi! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Asan na yung pamilya mo? In fairness, ang linaw ng camera niyo, ma. No, dahil ang linaw ng ano nila, internet. Hi, Mommy! Mama! Ito si Zulu! My friend! Picture tayo! Picture! 1, 2, 3, smile! Thank you, Zulu and Zulu, for this Christmas gift. What's this? Wow! Wow!
Nice!
You're very good sister. Thank you. This is the daddy.
This is the daddy.
Isang gari lang. Ano? Galing na. Thank you.
Thank you!
So nice.
So nice.
We like it. Thank you, thank you.
Hello guys! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! So we hope everyone is safe and happy celebrating their Christmas with their family, friends, and loved ones. So kagabi natapos na yung Noche Buena party namin with our friends and housemates. So guys, umuulan dito kanina. So hapon na ngayon and we're going out just to celebrate Christmas with our coffee date tradition. So pumunta kami ng Starbucks, magkakape kami, and we're just spending time together. So this is our second year. Second year. So this is our second year celebrating Christmas as a married couple. So hopefully next year maging okay na yung lahat, mawala na tong pandemic na to, so we can celebrate with our loved ones into another place. So yeah, that's our wish for Christmas. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Hello guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa gym, and so that's the Starbucks. So papasok na kami dyan, and we're having our yearly Christmas coffee date. Let's go guys! Ganda yan eh.
Yeah, but you don't need it.
Hello guys, nasa loob lang ng Starbucks, and we're having our coffee. Ito yung cafe latte ko, our favorite cookie crumble cheesecake. And ito, bago na naman itong order na to. Basta from macchiato.
Okay.
Yeah. So, meron lang 1 hour dito na pwedeng stay.
Wala rin.
Tara, ubusin na namin daw. Hello guys, so yun, tapos na kaming Starbucks. So nag-date lang kami sa Starbucks as usual, our favorite place. So Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Merry Christmas to all our subscribers and viewers. Yeah, that's it guys, see you on our next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.